I've pressed the button. It's too bright to see. Okay, so we're not starting out in the car quite yet. I don't even know what today is. It's Wednesday, April 12th, and we're going to a food truck rally. Okay, so we made it down to the food truck rally. We're at the Low Mill. I've been here a couple times. I don't know how many times in the vlog, but we're going to go see what's going on. So I'm here and I'm kind of wandering around. I'm on the second story of the Low Mill now. And it's kind of funny to me because I remember the first time I came where this was the floor and it was the only floor. And half of it was closed off. You had this floor, you had the theater, the Flying Monkey. They were working on plans for the rest of it, but you couldn't go there. So to come up here now and like I can explore the entire place, because everything's open. It is just so awesome. I remember helping put on shows up here and everything else, so it's just a trip to be back now with the whole place open and being able to explore it. So if you watched the vlog when me and my sister went to the Comic-Con here, this was actually the hall it was in. And the scary part is, I don't remember it being this big. Like with all the vendors set up, this aisle felt so small, but it was so massive. Like, holy cow. There's race cars in here. At least two motorcycles. So I swear as I walk around here, I wish one of the things I was doing right now, focus, or I hope one of the things we're doing, we could get like a studio up here. Because that'd just be awesome. Music videos or anything just like up here and have a studio here. At least I think it would be awesome. I may be totally wrong. I still think it'd be cool. I just love this place though. I'd love to come here for work every day. That'd just be awesome. Okay, so I actually left and then came back and have, in general, spent way too much time at the Low Mill today. It's about 3 o'clock now. 3:15 I think. I don't know. My hands are kind of full. Yeah, I've just spent way too much time here. So, I'm gonna go home and go over the information I found and see what we can do with it, if anything. So, let's go home.
Yeah, I got you now. I caught like 2 or 3 of them over here in his shit. And raw thing.
Go get him. TK on the great mosquito hunt. On the great mosquito hunt.
Andrew, you not be a dick right now?
I'm not.
You could be one, just not at this exact moment. Y'all come over here and sit down.
That slow zoom.
That slow zoom?
Yeah.
I guess the fuck about slow zoom.
I just needed more footage for the vlog today.
You got it now, you will.
You what? Thank you, I appreciate it.
Fuck, now I gotta kill the thing. Alright, let me go back in the bed real quick.